Hyundai launches new Creta 2025 in Brazil. The Hyundai Creta, introduced in 2021, receives the first redesign of this second generation. Already meeting the new emission standards, the Creta 2025 came with a new look, more equipment, and replaced the 2.0 naturally aspirated engine with the 1.6 turbo known from the Tucson with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. The look, the front and rear, as well as the new wheels, have been completely changed for each version. At the front, the LED lights passing through the grille attract attention, while at the rear, there are also interconnected LED lights. Thanks to the new bumpers, its length has increased by 30 mm, reaching 4,330 mm. This is the only dimension that has changed in the Creta, which even maintains its 2,610 mm wheelbase. The trunk has the same 422 liters. The interior of the new Creta has changed a lot. The dashboard stands out with two integrated screens for indicators and multimedia. The top versions have 10.25-inch screens each, but the lower versions have smaller screens. There are also improvements in the dual-zone air conditioning and the assistance and safety systems of the versions with them. The 1.0 turbo engine remains the same, but according to Hyundai it has become more economical with a new calibration to meet the new emission standards. It continues with 120 horsepower and 17.5 kgfm with gasoline or ethanol, linked to the 6-speed automatic transmission. The gasoline 1.6 turbo has 193 horsepower and 27 kgfm, which replaces the naturally aspirated 2.0 flex with 157/167 HP and 19.2/20.6 kgfm. The 6-speed automatic transmission has been replaced by a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission.